So since you believe there's one God, since you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God, would you like to accept Islam?
Yes.
Would you like to accept Islam? In, ask also in Malay. Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
Yeah.
Ada orang paksa kamu tak masuk Islam?
No.
Are you doing it of your own free will?
Kamu buat dengan rela sendiri?
Yeah.
Okay, inshallah. I'll say in Arabic and you can repeat it. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
but Allah,
but Allah,
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant
and
servant
servant
of Allah.
of Allah.
MashaAllah, you're a Muslim, mashallah.
Takbir! Takbir!
MashaAllah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you, sister. All your previous sins have been forgiven. I pray to Allah that may He give you the best in this world and the akhirah. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may you get your friends and your family also to the true path. Inshallah, I'd request the volunteers to be in touch with the sister. And if she has any questions, any difficulties, please see to it that you answer to her queries. Jazakallah shukran, sister.